The final part of this video series on the complaint process explains the investigation and decision-making process. A copy of the complaint and any documents the Commission received is included with the initial letter of inquiry. According to Rule 58A.0601e, any broker who receives a letter of inquiry shall submit a written response within 14 days of receipt. If additional time is needed to prepare a thorough response, the broker should contact the CPO who wrote the letter of inquiry and request an extension of time to respond, which typically is granted. When responding to a letter of inquiry, a licensee should provide a factual description of the transaction or incident described in the complaint and provide copies of relevant documents to support those statements. The Commission has the authority to expand investigations beyond the allegations described in complaints and may ask for information and/or documentation regarding other aspects of a transaction or matter. Licensees should fully answer the letter of inquiry before the deadline or any extension. Real estate licensees may hire an attorney to assist with responding to a letter of inquiry or when meeting with an auditor/investigator. However, it is not a requirement. If you are unsure about whether to obtain legal representation, you may want to discuss your situation with an attorney before deciding. All responses to letters of inquiry or interviews are evaluated to determine any need for additional information and/or further investigation. Once the file provides a clear understanding of the facts, or in the case of a field investigation, after the report is completed, a decision is made to either close the file with or without a warning, or to forward the case to the members of the Commission to review and determine whether or not a hearing should be ordered in the matter. Only Commission members can order a hearing against a licensee. If the file is closed, the licensee and the complaining witness will receive notification in writing of the decision. To learn more about the complaint process or to file a complaint, go to the Commission's website or contact Regulatory Affairs at ra@ncrec.gov or 919-719-9180.